I have another good one for you. If you deal with really dry or rough feet, especially around your heels, I wanted to show you what I've been using lately. This is the Footlogix Very Dry Skin Formula Foot Mousse. The first thing that surprised me was the texture. It comes out as this really lightweight mousse, so you only need a small amount. I just massage it into my feet, focusing mostly on my heels and areas that feel especially dry. For me, it's my heels. Rub, 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 and you're done. I probably could have used less than what I just showed you. Little does really go a long way with this. What I really like is that it absorbs quickly and doesn't leave my feet feeling greasy or sticky. I can apply it and pretty much go about my day without feeling like I have a heavy cream sitting on my skin. So, it contains urea, CoQ10, vitamin E, aloe vera, and glycerin, which help moisturize and condition really dry, rough feeling skin. With regular use, I've noticed my feet feel softer and smoother, especially in those areas that tend to get really dry. Another plus for me is that it's fragrance free, so there isn't a strong scent lingering after I use it, and I could pair it with my favorite lotion if I want to. I think this is a really nice option if you want that professional foot care feel at home without adding a complicated step to your routine. Just apply the mousse to clean, dry feet, massage it in, and you're done. So, if your heels and feet could use some extra moisture, this Footlogix Very Dry Skin Formula has been an easy addition to my routine, and I really like how my feet feel after using it. I highly recommend.